Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Ace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the water lag mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our device, and you can do it in two ways. You can double tap on the screen or press the touch sensitive buttons on the sides, both sides. There's one and there's the second one. You can press them like this to wake up the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the touch sensitive buttons for a second or two to open the shortcut menu. And here the first option is the water lag. To enable the mode, simply tap on this option and then we can double tap on the screen to enable the mode. So let's double tap on it like this, and now the screen is locked. Basically we can't use the touch screen, and this option is quite useful if you want to, for example, swim with your smartband on your wrist, because the water is conductive. So if you wouldn't enable the water lag mode, the screen would go crazy because of the water. You can also use it to take a shower with your band on. So if you want to take a shower, you don't want to take off the band, you can enable the water lag mode and take a shower, and it's gonna be fine. And to disable this mode, simply double tap on the screen, then double tap on the screen again like this. It should say unlocked, and now we can use the touch screen again like this. And that's how you enable the water lag mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.